So there's some bullish indicators popping off for Stellar XLM. We're going to talk about that in this video. So let's get into it. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X if you're watching on there. And let's jump into it here. So we're going to talk about XLM's price prediction and also some critical levels to watch, as well as some Fibonacci levels. So we could potentially see this thing popping off anytime soon. So let's talk about it and make sure you guys stay informed. So Dark Defender is outlining some crucial resistance support levels and potential price movements for us. XLM appears poised for significant action here soon. He actually goes on to talk about what these price points are and when it could potentially happen. So he goes back and talks about his analysis from November 23rd and highlights a pivotal resistance level at about 63 cents. Recent updates show that the XLM price has successfully bounced back from this level, and it shows how important it is as a barrier for further upward movement. So once this resistance level is decisively broken, XLM could aim for the 92-cent fib level, making the third wave in an Elliott wave pattern. So the $2.39 level is the target for the fifth wave. So, obviously we're just in the third now, so we get a little bit of bounce around in between there and make its way up to the into that fifth wave. So it's consolidating right now within a bullish flag formation, which is a pattern often associated with continuation trends. So it's breaking any breaking of the 43-cent area and staying above it for at least 12 hours can quickly push XLM above the 63-cent area. I think that this thing is a bit explosive, in my opinion. I think that last rally that we saw, there's a number of people kind of waiting on the sidelines to see this thing start to break out. And I think there's some money sitting there on the sidelines as well, kind of waiting for that to happen. That's just my opinion. That's just kind of how I feel about, the overall sentiment around XLM in the social media. So ChatGPT has also recently predicted that the digital asset could hit $1 by the end of 2024. Could that really happen? Well, we've seen how explosive it was last month. So let's take a look as well at some of the key support levels. They are sitting at about 40 cents and 35 cents. These are strong zones for traders to consider entry points if XLM fails to sustain its current levels or experiences a short-term pullback. Now, obviously, none of this is financial advice. Please do what's right for you guys. This is just one analyst giving us his projections, and he's definitely, somebody who's been around the block a few times and knows what he's talking about here. But still, cryptocurrency can kind of go either way at any point in time. On the daily chart, we're seeing price action squeezes, suggesting a decisive move is imminent. And this is per his analysis, and this move could occur within basically any day now. Fibonacci retracement and extension levels are showing that XLM's bullish potential remains intact as long as the critical support levels hold and resistance levels are breached as well. The bull flag pattern on the daily chart further supports the upward movement in the near term. So this could happen as soon as, within the coming days, basically. Let's jump over and take a look at the price action. I did actually get a buy signal on XLM on the 1 hour chart. It's just that's just a very early signal. Obviously, that would be for some short-term trading. I kind of like to wait for. Usually, what I kind of look for a bit more mid-range trend is the 4 hour. I kind of watch the 4 hour and the 1 day just to kind of, you get a better look overall of what's going on. But the 1 hour is definitely good for short-term trading. I did actually get a signal on that. So let's take a look at the last 7 days. We did see that decline about 15% in the market, and we're sitting right now at about 36 cents. So we are under that support level he said was around 37 cents. So we could potentially see a good bounce up from here. But we'll have to wait and see kind of what happens in terms of to get a better outlook of what's going to happen here. So we'll keep an eye on it, obviously, and I'll let you guys know if anything else has emerged from this. But that's some information for you guys to watch, a little bit of price prediction kind of thing. Heading towards that dollar mark would be really nice, and it could extend into that $2 mark down the road as well in that fifth wave. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys have a great holidays and spend some time with the ones that you love. And hopefully you guys all don't work too hard. So thanks so much for tuning in. See you in the next one.